Hi, I was asked to do number 23 from the homework. This one's asking, it's kind of covered up here because I had to save this. It says construct a 90% confidence interval for the mean pulse rates of men and women. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click on this little blue spot right here to get the data. You can't see the bottom of the data. There should be 40, but again, there should be 20 in each column, but I kind of messed it up. I didn't print this out to have all the data. So my answers will be just a tad off because I couldn't fit them all on here. But anyway, I'm just kind of giving you an idea of this problem. So you're going to click on this. The first one talks about adult female. So what you're going to want to do is put all these numbers into your list. Again, there should be 40 of them. I could only see 36 of them. So let me just kind of show you that. So I went to my stat, enter, I put the numbers. I'm just going to show you there. Oops. Okay, so again, the first thing they ask for is the females. If you look at the question, you can't see it, but the first thing they ask for the females. So what I want to do is put all these numbers into my list. So to do that, you can hit Stat, Enter, and you're going to put all these numbers in your list. So this is the first column you put in, and then you put the second column in. Again, I think there's actually 40 for the homework. I couldn't see the bottom parts here, so I just put these 36 numbers in just to give you an idea. So I went ahead and put the females pulse, these two columns, into my calculator. And if I want to go ahead and find my statistics for the female pulses, I can go to Stat, Calc, Enter, and then kind of go from there. So I know for the 36 women, you should have 40 because I didn't have the bottom columns on there, that bottom kind of 8 numbers there. There's my X bar. There's my sample standard deviation because this is a sample of women, and then there's my N. They want us to find the confidence interval for the mean. Again, we don't know sigma here because it's a sample of women. It's not a population of women. So I'm going to use a t-interval. So go to Stat, Test, t-interval. Go under stats. You could actually go to data with this one if you like, because your data is actually in the list 1. Either way, the problem you can't see, but it does say to find a 9% confidence level. So you can either, again, do data, or you can do stats, change this to 0.9, and I hit enter. And this is my confidence level. It's 72.5 around to 80.1. Okay, so that's the female's pulse rate. That's the first thing they ask. The second part is the males. So again, you can put all these numbers in. And again, I think in the homework it should be 40, not 36. I just couldn't see the last part here. So first do the females for the first part, and then do the same thing all over again. Put all these males into your list. So go to Stat, Edit, and now again, now you're going to put the males in there for the second part. But both of these should be t-intervals because sigma is not given. You're just given a sample of males and females pulse rate.